Imagine this. One of the world's most advanced aircraft carriers, HMS Queen Elizabeth, firing live weapons at a floating red blob in the ocean. No, it's not a science fiction movie, it's a real Royal Navy training exercise involving something curiously called the killer tomato. Sounds funny, right? But behind this odd name lies a serious objective: preparing the UK's most powerful warship for real combat. Recently, the Royal Navy's flagship, HMS Queen Elizabeth, conducted surface gunnery training. This involved targeting a large, red inflatable object floating in the ocean, the killer tomato. The ship's gunners fired at the target using live ammunition from the deck. The goal, to simulate engaging small surface threats, such as enemy speedboats or drones. This inflatable target is designed to behave like a fast-moving threat, giving gunners a realistic, moving object to lock onto. During the drill, HMS Queen Elizabeth used general-purpose machine guns for close-range defense, and automated cannons mounted on turrets, possibly including the Phalanx close-in weapon system. Practicing with these systems allows the crew to develop quick targeting skills and operational coordination under pressure. This training comes after HMS Queen Elizabeth completed a major maintenance period. The carrier is preparing to lead Carrier Strike Group 25 for an 8-month deployment to contested regions. The Royal Navy is adapting to new-age threats, from swarms of speedboats to maritime drones. Even the smallest object at sea can pose a real danger to billion-dollar warships. These drills ensure interoperability and coordination with NATO allies. So yes, the headlines may say aircraft carrier attacks a giant red tomato, but behind this lies serious military preparation, training for the worst. In the world of modern warfare, even the killer tomato serves a deadly serious purpose.